Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. So at the time of recording this video, this is the position we are having. And the first trade was in a buy position for more than 3 hours. You can see this is the 1 hour time frame that we use in analyzing, and this is 4 hours. These 4 hours, you can see it for yourself. We are not hiding any single thing. Okay, we leave our trades so active. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Okay, so I'll just make closes of the trades as they are running so that we can make better explanation. Okay, so it seems the trade is reversing, so I'll just enter more position. Okay, so you can see it now that it's currently on profit. So, and I don't like leaving my trade to run. This trade is so massive that it had to flip a $3 account, a $3, a $5 a $5 account. Okay, so if you haven't already, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to join in this super good channel. Okay, we have free signal group, also have VIP signal group where you use in making so much money. Okay, these groups are so massive and accurate. This group is so massive and accurate, which I will show you guys in few minutes. But then you have to stay tuned and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Okay, so these are history for quite some time now. You can see this is last month's history. You can see it here where we made massive and one of a kind type. Okay, this trade was taken for a complete 1 week. These positions were taken for 1 week. Okay, we're changing the lot size as time goes on. You can see all of it we're taking for 1 full week, and that is how we trade. Okay, you can see that our trade here started running. Okay, so let me quickly close. Okay, so these positions were all taken to make this account massive. Okay, to make the trade run so accurate. That's why all these positions were taken. So if you want us to flip your account, it's very easy. We can do it for you. All you just have to do, the link to message us is in the description below. All you just have to do is to message us. Okay, so this is our profit for today, $1,379. You can see all for yourself. There is no minus. You can see all for yourself. There is no minus, and you can see when I was closing each of them. You can see, so we don't have any minuses there. Now on this trade you have to zoom out. Okay, so this is the first zoom level, but then you have to understand the trade pattern before you go into a trade. you can see there was a long pattern here before it went like this and then came down, and then it's going back up. So it's giving us a W shape. If it's giving us a W sign, and this is how to go. Okay, so a trade is never going to go like this. It is never going to go like this. No, this can be a resistance point, but then look at this chart here. Okay, it's very accurate that the chart is running upward. So you can see how good and accurate our trades are. Now let me show you another W that a trade did. You can see those are the trade pattern. Okay, so a trade pattern is so sweet when you understand or know how the movement of the trade is going to run. You can see we are not here to okay, you are just here when I read this line, and you see, I think somewhere here, and you can see what is happening already. So that is how the trade will go. This is it here. It may not go immediately, but it's definitely going to hit that line. So guys, if you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment in the comment section. That's what we use in making this money here. When you give us subscription, when you like and subscribe, it boosts our morale to make more and more accurate videos. Okay, teaching you guys how to make more money is not easy, and then the best thing you can do is to support us. Give us a thumbs up. So on this Christmas period, we are doing some giveaway. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, just message me in the link in the description. This giveaway is worth $5,000. So for those of you, we'll be giving it out to 7 persons. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, please don't forget to message us. This giveaway is going to start on the 26th of December at time of recording this video, and is going to end currently at January 7th. So if you want to be part and make more money. So you see, when we were here, that was when I said the trade is going to run, and then see where it has run to. Okay, see where it has run to. You can see the trade pattern. You can see it. I said it here. This W. I said it here before now. So we're going to zoom in 1 and 2. This is the accurate trade pattern or the zoom level that we are going to use for this video. So guys, please give us a thumbs up. Let me just show you guys our signal group so that you can join in and make more money as time goes on. So this here, as you can see, this signal was up on 24th because as you guys know, on the 25th everybody went to enjoy. Okay, so you can see how accurate. You can see it here. This is when it's running. Okay, so you can see more of our trades. You can see this for yourself. This one gave us $619. Okay, so these are entry positions. You can see. So in our own signal, we don't hide anything for you. We show you what you are able to see. So these are investment or account management plan that you can come in with. We also have an investment plan which I'll be showing you guys in a bit. So these are a group. The link is in the description below. Make sure you join in. We also have a Telegram group as well. We also drop the link in the description for this video. Okay, so this is our investment platform. For those of you that want to join in, the link is in the description. To make everything easy and accurate, you can see we have a percentage and your capital back if you want any of it. So make sure you join in. This is where all the giveaways will be taking place. Okay, now let me tell you how the giveaway goes. The giveaway goes like this: if you sign in an account and have maybe 1 or 2 referrals, you are qualified for it. Okay, and the first 7 people to do it, they are going to make money from it. Okay, so it's very easy for you to sign up. You can see the logo, you can register, login, few other stuff. There are customer care here in case you miss your part. It's very open and very sweet. Okay, so let's get back to the video. Let me show you guys the settings I'm using for this video before we move along. So you can see for yourself and you can agree with me that this trade was nowhere near here. It was nowhere near here. It was around this pattern when I said so, and then this pattern when we left for the showing you guys some few stuff. So you can see how accurate the trade went. These are all trade patterns. It's very accurate trade patterns. So if you want us to mentor you on how to make accurate and sweet money, okay, you can message us and we'll make sweet money for you this Xmas. Don't miss out, guys. The trade is still going to run because it's going to run up to this point. So the trade is still going to run and run and run. So guys, I will see you guys on the next video, but first, these are just the settings. You can screenshot them for later use. These are the settings for the video. I'll just open them one without calling it out. Okay, so you take your screenshots. Don't forget we do account management, VIP signals, trading profits, mentorship, and massive account flipping. Okay, we do all of that all in one go. Okay, so guys, I'll be out and see you guys in the next video. Thank you.